In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Robinhood email. We'll use the official desktop method on the web, and I'll point out important security tips so everything goes smoothly and your account stays accessible. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Robinhood.com. Sign in to your account as you normally would. If you use two-factor authentication, have your device handy so you can approve the login. Once you're in, look toward the top right for the account menu and click it, then choose Settings. This is where you control your personal details and security preferences, and it's the place Robinhood expects you to make changes like updating your email. On the Settings page, find the section labeled Personal Information. Select Email. You'll see your current address on file. Before you make any changes, pause and confirm you have active access to the new email you plan to use. You'll need to receive and act on a confirmation message to complete the change, so make sure you can log into that inbox right now. Enter the new email address carefully. Double-check for typos, missing characters, and any extra spaces that might slip in if you copy and paste. It can help to choose a stable, long-term email address that you check frequently, since this is where important account alerts will arrive. When everything looks correct, click Continue. Robinhood will now send a confirmation email to the new address. Leave your browser tab open, go to your new inbox, and look for the message from Robinhood. Open it and follow the instructions inside to verify the change, typically by clicking a secure link. If you don't see it within a couple of minutes, check your spam or junk folder and consider searching your inbox for the word Robinhood. If you requested multiple emails, use the most recent message to avoid confirming an outdated request. If Robinhood suspects the email is incorrect or the change can't be verified, your account may be temporarily restricted until you confirm the correct address. This is a normal security measure designed to protect your assets and data. Completing the verification from the new inbox clears that restriction. Once verified, your Robinhood account will be linked to the new email and future notifications will arrive there. Keep your inbox secure, review any filters that might move messages out of your main folder, and store your login details safely. That's it, the official, straightforward way to change your Robinhood email on desktop.